In front of me is OUKITEL G2, and today I would like to show you how you can apply app layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher OS from Launcher Studio. This one. When it's ready, open it. Hit Get Started, select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Then tap on while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. Close and add. Adjust all of those options, and when you're ready, hit Set as Default to click on Launcher Pro and this way apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!